What's up, world? Wanted to drop in real quick and give you a real estate market update with what is going on today. So, as of today, interest rates have officially crossed 7%. We haven't seen this since 2000, 2001 timeframe. So, what does that mean for you? Well, if you're in the market to buy a house and you need to buy a house, there's a saying going around: marry the house and date the interest rate. Meaning, as long as you can financially afford the home at the interest rate and price that it's at currently, then go ahead and lock in that rate and move forward with buying whatever house that it is that you can afford that you're looking for. As interest rates continue to go up over the next 18 to 24 months, most likely we're seeing, and once again, nobody has a crystal ball, but we're seeing a lot of pressure on the Fed that they don't want to hold interest rates too high for too long. So we're predicting that 18 to 24 months down the road from now, interest rates should start to settle out and come back down. And when that happens, if it's below from where you currently get a home at the rate that you get, then you can always refinance later, decrease your payment, and so on and so forth. But never forget, you're losing out on a lot of the equity that you could potentially be getting or receiving by owning a home now as opposed to waiting. And also, you have to think of it from the perspective that if you're going to wait to buy a house, and you wait until interest rates come back down, well, that's going to create upwards buying pressure on the market, and more people are going to start buying in that same time frame. So rates are going to start going down, demand is going to go up, prices are going to start to go up. So you're going to be catching it on the upswing as opposed to buying something now, holding on to it, getting some equity, and potentially having something on the backside of that. And realistically, if depending on what your goals are, if you don't have to sell your house that you're buying or that you're in now within the next year or 2 years, who cares what the interest rate is? As long as you can afford it, and as long as you can, like everything that's in the house and it satisfies all of your needs, then who cares? Go ahead and buy it, move forward with that, and then make a new decision based off whatever the current market is during that time period. Now, on the flip side of that, if you're selling right now, prices have started to come down. And because interest rates have gone up, that's what's pushing a lot of those prices down. So we're not getting multiple offers anymore. Unless you have kind of the trifecta, perfect house, perfect location, and perfect price. And most of the time, there's still a lot of sellers that are still trying to chase that multiple offer scenario and test the market at a higher price point. Unfortunately, that's not going to work because now, while we still are technically in a seller's market, we're transitioning back to more time on market, days on market, more inventory. So it's the law of substitution. If you're not the most attractive offer and somebody can get the same thing from somewhere else for cheaper, more than likely they're going to do that. So if you want to test the market at a higher price point than what your professional real estate agent can provide you, then just be ready to do some price decreases or be ready to sit on the market for an extended period of time. But if you guys have any questions or if you need anything real estate wise, I'd be more than happy to help you out. Make sure to reach out, text, email, direct message. If you're in a state outside of Georgia, I have a very wide reach. So I'll be more than happy to set you up with somebody that can help you in another area should that be a desire. Hopefully you guys have a great day.